Yo guys, how's your day going? Welcome to the Crazy Magician channel. So today in our channel we are going to see a very easy magic trick, very easy. So let's go into the video. So guys, first I'll show you the magic, next I'll show you the tutorial. So now I have a prediction over here and it's going to be just in front of your eyes. So I'm just not going to change anything to it. And then I have a deck of cards over here which will kind of have 49 or 52 cards. So if I just take like this, all of them you can see as it is just shuffled. So if I just take like this, any of the card will be just shuffled. So I need a person to tell stop. Okay, so just taking it.
Stop.
So I got a person to tell stop, and now I'm just taking it. So that card was this. So I don't know which card is, guys. So you just think of it. Now just remember this, and then now I'm just gonna keep the deck of cards aside, and then the prediction was your 10 of heart. So this is the magic trick, guys. Wasn't it awesome? So let's go into the tutorial. So guys, first what you need to know is the last card. Now here the last card is ace of club. So I mean A of club. So now just take a paper and write in it A of club. Just see the last card, whatever you get. So I'm just writing A of club, and then I'm just closing it now. So now I'll just close it, and then I'll just keep it aside so that the magic performance will go like this. And then now I have this over here. So A of club is over here. So now I'm just gonna, now you should have a person to just tell to stop. You just hold your cards like this, 4 fingers over here and 1 finger over here. You just like scroll like this. So and then when the person tells stops, you'll get a amount of cards, right, like here. So now just pick that, but while picking it, just slide your A card at the back. Just slide it and then just bring it like this. So if you take, just see it, you will get the A of club here. So now just show the person A of club, just tell him to remember it, and then now take your prediction and then just show it. So that's all the magic, guys. So yes guys, that's all the magic trick. So hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe down below, and then hit that bell icon so that you never miss another video, and then peace, bye.